Nagbabalik ang mata ng Agila Primetime. Abay, kung gusto nyong secure ang inyong pamilya sa anumang hindi inaasahang pangyayari sa buhay man o ari-arian ninyo, akma po sa inyo ang dalawang pinagkakatiwalaang kumpanyang ito pagdating po sa insurance dahil ito'y one-stop shop sa lahat ng usapin sa life at non-life insurance. Alamin natin ang detalye sa report ni Mark De La Rosa.
It is with great honor to welcome you for today's official contract signing.
Sa lawak ng kompetisyon at sa dami ng umuusbong na insurance company sa bansa, may natatanging kumpanya na totoo at nagbibigay ng tamang serbisyo para sa ating mga kababayan. Sila ang Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated at FWD Life Insurance.
The insurance industry is rapidly growing. To keep abreast, we have identified partners who shares the same interests and values to match ours. Most especially the customer centricity, which is one of our company's core values.
The best thing that what we can do is really form a strong partnership. Because in order to deliver a comprehensive insurance service, I believe not only should we have life insurance products, but we should also have non-life products bundled together.
Ang dalawang pinagkakatiwalaang kumpanya pagdating sa insurance ay magiging one-stop shop sa lahat ng usapin ng life and non-life insurance. Sa kanilang pagkakaisa, mas maraming pamilya ang matutulungan na mabawasan ang pangamba sa anumang hindi inaasahang pangyayari sa buhay o ari-arian man.
So from basic life insurance to critical illness to insuring their homes, their cars, and even when they travel. So definitely that's going to be a very strong, close collaboration with Stronghold.
It's a perfect blend of offering for the Filipinos. And what we're really looking forward is really the exchange of knowledge, for example, the exchange of industry expertise, and FWD being an innovative and digital insurer, with the help of Stronghold, we definitely reach to more Filipinos.
Dito sa Pilipinas, marami pa rin ang hindi lubos na nauunawaan ang kahalagahan ng insurance plans. Kaya patuloy ang kampanya ng Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated at FWD Life Insurance upang itaguyod ang mga serbisyong tugma sa pangangailangan ng bawat pamilya.
Re-educating the way Filipinos think, changing the way people feel about insurance, because traditionally Filipinos considering life insurance as an expense. It's not an expense. It is a very necessary component of your financial management.
Kung tayo nagse-set aside ng ating mga gastusin para sa iba't ibang mga bagay, isama natin ang insurance. Kasi ito po ang magbibigay sa atin ng katiyakan, magbibigay sa atin ng peace of mind, magbibigay sa atin ng proteksyon.
Mark De La Rosa para sa mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.